not think for 1 second that you brought about a death by assuming security. The greater you is not going to injure anyone. It sees all, and knowing the length of life of all, it can inspire the other to give you that which can fulfill your assumption. You did not kill the person who named you in his will. If a few days after your complete acceptance of the idea of security, Uncle John made his exit from this three-dimensional plane and left you his estate, it is only because it was time for Uncle John to go. He did not die 1 second before his time, however. The greater you saw the lifespan of John and used him as the way to bring about the fulfillment of your feeling of security. The acceptance of the end wills the means toward the fulfillment of that end. Do not be concerned with anything save the end. Always bear in mind that the responsibility to make it so is completely removed from your shoulders. It is yours because you accept it as so. I like to take one consuming ambition, restrict it to a single short phrase or act that implies fulfillment. But I do not limit my ambition. I only know that my real objective will include all the little ones. Because you feel you are not wanted. Were I you, I would assume I am wanted. You know the technique. The assumption that you are wanted may seem false when first assumed. But if you will feel wanted and respected and persist in that assumption, you will be amazed how others will seek you out. They will begin to see qualities in you they had never seen before, I promise you. If you will but assume you are wanted, you will be. A variety of experiences. The more varied they are, the richer is your life. At death, you function in a dimensionally larger world and play your part on a keyboard made up of a lifetime of human experiences. Therefore, the more varied your experiences, the finer is your instrument, and the richer is your life.